Welcome to day 28 Chopsticks. This is in 3/4 time. There is a sideways V underneath the first note. That is an accent, so you give a little punch to that note. I will play the melody the first time, the harmony the second time. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then you come in on 1 the next measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. Thanks for playing Chopsticks with me. You will notice there is a first ending and a second ending. The first ending you play only the first time, and the second time when you come to it, you hop over the first ending and go to the second ending. If you made a mistake, that's fine, because you learn by failure. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, and happy holidays!